How do some photographers smash portrait season while sleeping like babies? While most photographers are downing coffee, pulling 12-hour days, and losing their minds over rebookings, the top 5% are scaling their businesses like it's a puzzle they've already solved. What's their secret? Spoiler alert, it's not talent, it's workflow. These pros don't chase chaos, they outsmart it. Automated scheduling handles the back and forth with the school admin. NetLife dashboards show who's booked, who's late, and who forgot photo day entirely, without a single frantic phone call. They've built systems that do the thinking for them. No more Google Sheets chaos, no more paperclip avalanches. Just data decisions done. While others are wrestling with forms and fielding frantic emails at 11 p.m, these companies are watching their calendar fill, then checking in from the beach or the couch. It's not magic. It's a mindset. The best don't work harder. They remove work entirely. That's how they smash portrait season and still sleep at night.